Updating your legal name on your CenterState bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name change is processed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documentation. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Visit a local branch. Locate the nearest CenterState bank branch. It is often faster to handle name changes in person, so plan a visit during business hours. Step 3. Speak with a bank representative. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use escort to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit documentation. Provide the representative with the required documentation you gathered earlier. They may ask for additional identification, so have your ID ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your documents, ask the representative for confirmation of the name change request. Ensure that you receive a receipt or confirmation number for your records. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with CenterState Bank. If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to ask the bank staff for assistance.